Welcome to A Seat at the Table. I'm Jane Singer, and I started this podcast as a way for business professionals to learn from each other's experiences. This is for people like you and me to find out how others are tackling some of the challenges in today's market and to help identify new opportunities for growth and improvement. Every week, I sit down with some of the smartest and most successful people in manufacturing, marketing, retail, e-commerce, and education. They share their outlooks, experiences, and visions about supply chain strategies, e-commerce, emerging market opportunities, and new technologies. As the saying goes, one of the best ways to be successful is to surround yourself with successful people. So join me and other colleagues from around the world as we support each other to grow our business and enhance the world around us.